fifth set. Bakit hindi? Bawing-bawi ang Air Force dito. Although the stats, ito yung sinasabi ko minsan, the stats do tell the story. Sometimes they don't, no?
Yeah, there's one particular category lang na kailangan tingnan ng fans, no? The unforced errors. Army really just halos they gave the game to Air Force, but in fairness to Air Force as well, they played, like the fourth set, they played very solid, they enjoyed, they were dancing, everything going well for them.
And you and I must stop meeting this way. Meaning, another 5 set.
No, but
delightfully so.
When we expected towards the end of the semis, semis, tama.
Because pahirapan na ito, no? But the important thing here is to get your points quickly together.
Yeah.
This is just a race to 15. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Well, clearly Air Force has the momentum, but we know the experience of Team Army, so it will be interesting kung ano mangyayari dito sa fifth set.
Wendy Semana whips it down. Tabla po tayo. 1-all. Si Jericho Juanco is the masseuse ng kabila ng Cagayan.
Yeah.
And you were telling me about him also. Had other shoulder work on. Talagang nasasaktan na siya. In the meantime, it's 2-1. Don't forget, Mikasa's the official ball of Shakey's Wheeling. We're doing everything in the fifth set. All the sponsors, we will say, everything. Alam mo naman, may time ito.
Oo.
Oh, si Mana, huli. Huli! Alam ni Wendy. Humampas sa pader, no? Giba. Ate kami, atehin na namin kayo.
Wow, good serve.
Didiinan na namin kayo.
That's right.
Pero sabi ng mga mas bata, tingnan natin. Set by Salak. Bunag. Si Abanto, isang kamay, dalawang kamay.
That goes wide para sa Air Force. Yeah, Abanto, I'm impressed with her game today kasi alam natin hindi siya libero. Pero today, sumasabay siya and we're talking about a team like Army.
Caballero, the source of points. And she makes it 3-4. This is tight all the way. Wendy Ann Simano. Don't forget the Ann.
Yes.
Bunag. The setter to Caballero. It crawls.
Chance ball.
Patay! Patay! Alam ko na. Nung hinigaan ni Judy Caballero sa ere, patay, sabi ko. Hindi naman masolve ng Army.
Oh.
Lahat na ng block nilagay nila, hindi talaga masolve. May araw na ganun talaga. Bautista. Caballero, kulang lang ng kapirasong kamay para maitaas yun. But valiant effort. Mas mahirap yung kanina.
Oo.
Don't forget, Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Caballero. Labas. Layo, Judy.
That's right.
6-4. Suddenly, that point could be critical. Don't forget, manalo matalo. For Fun Family and Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nabasa na si Caballero. Yung kambal dito sa sala kasi bunag. Iisa yung kanilang hairstylist. Pantino. Balasa no? Pantino could be the difference. Let's see. Nene Bautista contributes.
Wow, this is already a comfort, a 4-point.